Real estate has quietly built more millionaires than any other asset class in human history. It's not just about owning a roof over your head, it's about creating a machine that works while you sleep. Today, we're breaking down the exact 5-step roadmap used by ordinary people to build extraordinary real estate empires from scratch. The wealth gap is staggering. According to the Federal Reserve, the median net worth of a homeowner is around $255,000, nearly 40 times that of a renter. While renters pay down someone else's mortgage, homeowners and investors build equity, capture appreciation, and enjoy massive tax advantages that compound silently over time. To build your empire, you need a structured approach. Our 5-step framework begins with building your financial foundation, followed by choosing a strategy, assembling a professional team, mastering deal analysis, and finally, scaling your portfolio. Each step is a load-bearing wall. Skip one and the entire structure of your wealth becomes unstable. Step 1 is about preparation. Before you buy your first property, you must understand your financial GPS, your net worth. By subtracting your total liabilities from your total assets, you get an honest portrait of your health. This number isn't just a score. It's the starting line for your journey from negative equity to property ownership. Most people are taught to work for money, but investors deploy money as a tool. Think of your budget as the engine that generates investable capital. Successful investors practice reverse budgeting, paying themselves first by transferring a set amount to an investment account the moment they are paid, rather than just saving what is left over. Your credit score is one of your most powerful financial levers. A mere 40-point difference in your FICO score can translate to a 0.5% difference in your mortgage rate. On a $200,000 loan, that small gap can save you over $20,000 in interest over the life of the mortgage. It pays to be obsessed with your score. Education isn't optional, it's profit in disguise. Spend 90 days studying the market, reading comprehensive investment books, and attending local investor meetings. By day 90, you will be more knowledgeable than 80% of first-time buyers. As Priya's case study showed, 6 months of study can produce tens of thousands in immediate equity through smarter negotiations. Investors don't fail because of bad deals. They fail because they run out of cash. You need 2 distinct reserve pools: personal reserves for living expenses and operating reserves for property repairs. Having 6 months of expenses tucked away is your survival shield against tenant turnover, broken HVAC systems, or unexpected market shifts. Look at Carol, a retired teacher. When her tenant stopped paying and her water heater failed in the same month, her 12-month emergency reserve saved her. She weathered a storm, re-tenanted the property, and continued building her portfolio. Without that defensive wall, one bad tenant could have ended her real estate journey entirely. Step 2. Choose a strategy and start small. Real estate isn't a single path, it's a universe of approaches. From steady buy and hold rentals to active fix and flips, you must find the approach that fits your life situation, risk tolerance, and available capital. Don't default to what's popular. Choose what's sustainable for you. House hacking is the beginner's superpower. By purchasing a duplex or triplex, living in one unit and renting out the others, you can eliminate your biggest expense: housing. This strategy often uses low down payment FHA loans, making it the most capital-efficient entry point into investing. It effectively gives you a massive annual raise by covering your mortgage. If you prefer quick profits over long-term income, fix and flip is the active strategy. It requires competence in sourcing deals and managing construction. Experienced flippers use the 70% rule. Never pay more than 70% of the property's after repair value, minus the renovation costs. This ensures a profit margin even if the market shifts or unexpected repairs arise. The BRRRR method, buy, renovate, rent, refinance, repeat, allows you to recycle your capital. You buy a distressed property, fix it up to add value, rent it to cover the new mortgage, and then refinance it to pull your original capital back out. Executed correctly, you can acquire multiple properties using the same pool of initial cash over and over again. Marcus is a perfect example of strategy over income. Starting with less than $5,000 out of pocket, he used an FHA loan to buy a duplex. By living rent-free and saving his day job income, he purchased his second property within 18 months. By 2024, his portfolio had grown to 22 units valued at over $3 million. Step 3. Assemble your professional team. No real estate empire is built in isolation. Your team is a force multiplier that allows you to scale. You need an investor-friendly agent, a specialized real estate attorney, a CPA who understands depreciation, a reliable contractor, and the property manager to free up your most valuable asset, your time. Not all agents are created equal. You need an investor-focused partner who understands cap rates and cash-on-cash returns, not just school districts and granite countertops. A top-tier agent provides access to pocket listings, deals that haven't even hit the market yet, giving you a decisive advantage in competitive markets where relationships are your inventory. A real estate attorney isn't a luxury, they are critical protection for your wealth. They help you structure LLCs to separate your personal assets from your liabilities. Coupled with an umbrella insurance policy, this creates a legal barrier that prevents one lawsuit at one property from bringing down your entire empire. Proper structuring turns a potential catastrophe into a mere inconvenience. Your CPA is more than just a tax filer. They are a strategic partner in legally minimizing your liability. They unlock powerful tools like depreciation, where the IRS allows you to deduct a portion of your building's value every year as a paper loss. For investors with meaningful portfolios, a specialized CPA can save tens of thousands of dollars annually in avoided taxes. Don't underestimate the property manager. As Rebecca's story shows, self-management might feel like it's saving you money, but it actually costs you your most irreplaceable asset: time. By hiring a pro for 8% of gross rents, Rebecca recovered 28 hours a week, allowing her to acquire 28 additional units in just 3 years. Systems over sweat equity. Step 4. Secure financing and analyze deals. Numbers never lie, and neither does a properly structured deal. Whether you're using conventional loans, government-backed FHA and VA programs, or creative options like hard money and private capital, understanding the landscape before you need it gives you a decisive advantage. The cost of your financing often determines the success of the investment. Leverage is the secret weapon, if used correctly. FHA and VA loans allow you to enter the market with little to no money down, while private money provides speed and flexibility in competitive situations. Yolanda built a $2 million portfolio without traditional banks by raising $1.4 million from individual investors, allowing her to close deals in days instead of months. Deal analysis is the single most important skill you can master. Start with the 1% rule. The monthly rent should ideally equal at least 1% of the total acquisition cost. This is a quick screen to triage opportunities before diving into a full napkin analysis of taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Analyze 30 deals before you ever make your first offer. Beyond the quick screen, you must understand cap rate and cash-on-cash return. Cap rate compares the property's income to its value, while cash-on-cash measures the actual cash you receive relative to the cash you invested. These metrics allow you to evaluate opportunities dispassionately, free from the emotional pull that causes many investors to overpay and underperform. Robert's case study shows the power of the VA loan, a zero-down payment tool for veterans. He bought a 4-plex property using his benefits, lived in 1 unit, and rented the other 3. This zero out-of-pocket investment generated immediate monthly cash flow. By repeating this strategy on his next assignment, he built a 12-unit portfolio valued at $1.1 million. Never waive your inspection. As Frank discovered, an $800 comprehensive inspection on an 8-unit building uncovered $84,000 in deferred maintenance. He used that report to negotiate a massive price reduction. That $800 investment produced a 10,000% return. Inspection isn't just a cost, it's your final line of defense before committing capital. Step 5. Scale and optimize your portfolio. Scaling isn't just about buying more, it's about systems. You transition from an owner-operator to a portfolio CEO. Periodically review each property's performance and opportunity cost. If a property has high equity but low yield, it may be time to redeploy that capital into higher performing assets through tools like the 1031 exchange. The 1031 exchange is one of the most powerful wealth multipliers in the tax code. It allows you to sell an investment property and defer all capital gains taxes by reinvesting the proceeds into like-kind replacement properties. This keeps your capital compounding for decades. Clara and James used 3 exchanges to grow an $85,000 investment into an $8.4 million portfolio. As you mature, you can access institutional quality assets through syndications. This involves pooling capital with other investors to buy large apartment communities or commercial buildings. You can participate as a limited partner for passive income or as a general partner to manage the asset. This transition represents a significant step in the evolution of your real estate empire. True wealth isn't built for one lifetime, it's built for generations. Proper legacy planning, including trusts and family-limited partnerships, can preserve millions in estate taxes that would otherwise be paid to the government. The Wellington family's estate planning protected a $14 million portfolio, ensuring their children were informed, engaged successors rather than overwhelmed inheritors. Every real estate empire starts the same way, one deliberate, disciplined decision at a time. The properties are out there, and the tenants are ready to pay your mortgage. The only variable is you. Set a date, analyze relentlessly, build your relationships, and start. Your empire is waiting. Go build it today.